Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Would you take a $100 online MBA? That's a question I'd like to throw out at you today. This is a course that I'm thinking of creating, but I'm not sure if anyone really would be interested. I would love to teach this course, and I feel that out there are people that certainly would benefit from this. I am a former CEO, I'm a former executive, I've been a successful entrepreneur, and I'm a university lecturer, and I would love, and I have an MBA myself, and I would love to teach an MBA that gives you everything that you would learn in an MBA that you would take from a prominent business school, but thrown in would be some life advice and business advice from my personal experience starting companies and leading companies. And I'm wondering if anyone is interested. Now, here is a website that I have. I have one course already. It was called Get Hired, and you could take the course. It costs $100 US, and here's all the lectures that you would get. You know, there's, I don't know, it's multiple hours of lectures on different topics. This particular course would teach you everything you need to know to get a job and also to tap the hidden job market and find a lot of best jobs and put yourself up for them and get them. So I have this course, but I'm thinking of doing a second one. And the second one would be a lecture on each of the topics in an MBA. For example, marketing, accounting, strategy, finance, HR, etc., etc. And in addition to that, I would be recommending textbooks that you can order from Amazon. And these would be relatively cheap, especially if you can find older editions. And you would read them yourself. You'd be responsible for doing it. There wouldn't be any evaluations. It just gives you the overview of everything that people would learn in an MBA. You can go as deep as you want. And as I say, what I feel is the real benefit is throwing some real world experience in with all this and advising in particular if you want to either start a business or lead a business to success, how you actually do that. Because although they teach you a lot of the theory in school, and don't get me wrong, a lot of theory is good, I would give you a little bit more of the sort of practical side of it. So that's what I was thinking. I'm just wanting to gauge interest. Let me know if you're interested and if you have any suggestions. Thank you very much for your attention and watching this. I do appreciate any feedback you might have on this. You guys are awesome as always, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.